Chapter 3. Never Enough. In Chapter 3 of The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel dives into a crucial lesson that many overlook: knowing when you have enough. This chapter highlights the importance of avoiding the endless pursuit of more money, power, or success. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that no matter how much you have, it's never enough. But that mindset can be dangerous and self-destructive. Housel uses real-life examples to show the dangers of this mentality. Take Rajat Gupta, for instance, a successful businessman who rose from humble beginnings in India to become the CEO of McKinsey Company, one of the world's most prestigious consulting firms. Despite his immense success and a fortune worth over $100 million, Gupta wanted more. In his desire to join the ranks of billionaires, he engaged in insider trading and ended up losing everything: his wealth, reputation, and freedom. His greed led to his downfall, showing how the quest for more can destroy even the most successful people. Another example is Bernie Madoff, the notorious Ponzi scheme operator who defrauded investors for decades. Madoff was already running a successful, legitimate business, making millions. Yet he couldn't resist the temptation to amass even more wealth through illegal means. Like Gupta, his pursuit of more led to his eventual ruin, causing immense suffering not only for himself but for thousands of innocent investors. The lesson Housel drives home is that more money doesn't always bring more happiness. In fact, constantly moving the goalpost for success can lead to unnecessary risks, poor decisions, and personal dissatisfaction. The reality is there will always be someone with more, whether it's wealth, status, or power. If you base your contentment on keeping up with others, you'll never feel fulfilled. The key, Housel argues, is finding contentment in what you have and recognizing when you've reached the point of enough. This doesn't mean you should stop striving for success or financial stability, but rather that you should set realistic goals and know when it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. There's nothing wrong with ambition, but it needs to be balanced with gratitude and satisfaction. This chapter also touches on the idea that real wealth isn't about how much you have, but about having the freedom to live life on your terms. Housel emphasizes that wealth gives you the flexibility to control your time and live without constantly worrying about the future. The ultimate goal of financial success should be to achieve that sense of security and freedom, not to endlessly chase more. In the end, the message of Chapter 3 is clear. The pursuit of more can lead to downfall if you're not careful. The real challenge is knowing when to stop and realizing that having enough is a powerful place to be. Contentment is the true measure of success, and recognizing that can bring long-term happiness, peace of mind, and financial security.